Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development and performance tuning and the Power BI DAX and also integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. So customer, dim geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to explore that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on these two key columns, I have enabled the relationship between the dim data and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship between the dim data and the internet sales. We will try to see all kind of possibles that are available in the Power BI desktop going forward. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. Just click on report. So now we can see that, so these are the card visuals and this is the text box. So in this report, I'm trying to find the last 4 quarter sales. So similar kind of video already I have published, but so in my previous video, based on the dim date, so I have created the last 4 quarter sales, but in this video, based on the transactions that is available in the fact table, so I'm just pulling the quarter sales. For example, so if you look at here, in 2004 quarter 2, in 2004 quarter 1, in 2003 quarter 4, in 2003 quarter 3, because I'm displaying the last 4 quarters. In 2004, in my fact table, only 2 quarters are there. Okay, in my fact table, so our transaction table, only 2 quarters data available. So that is the reason I'm displaying the 2 quarters, and remaining 2 quarters excuse me, remaining 2 quarters I'm pulling from the previous year. So current is 2004, but previous year 2003. So totally 4 quarter sales as for my requirement. So in my current transaction table, only 2 quarters, and previous year 2 quarters. Like that, I have created the expression to pull the data. So now we'll try to do some kind of demo so that we'll get to know whether it's working or not. So I'm opening my source data. Here I'll try to do some changes so that whether it is pulling the last 4 quarter sales effectively or not, whether it is working or not, we'll try to do that. So here I'm doing some changes in 2004. So I'm just doing some date changes so that, so whether data is getting reflecting or not, we'll try to see that is. So try to refresh it. So it's getting refreshed. We'll wait until it is getting refreshed. Now if you notice here, I just changed the dates from quarter 2 to quarter 3. So, okay, immediately we are able to see the 2004 quarter 1, and the remaining 3 quarters are coming from the previous year. So quarter 4 in 2003, quarter 3 2003, quarter 2 2002. So totally 4 quarters, because in my fact table, so we have sales up to the 2004 quarter 1 only. So that is the reason I'm displaying quarter 1 from the 2004. Remaining 3 quarters are getting from the previous year. Okay, likewise, so I have written the expression. So you can test it here also. For example, so in 2004, see, in 2004 quarter 1 only, so 13,793. We'll try to validate 13,793. So remaining 3 quarters coming from the previous year. We'll try to see that is also. Go to 2 and 3. Now you can see the quarter 4 679 and 448 153, 679 679 448 153. So it's working, right? So it is pulling from the 3 quarters from the previous year, and current year we have only 1 quarter. So totally we are displaying the 4 quarter sales. Even if you want to add one more quarter, we can add it here. Excuse me. So I'm just changing times. So I'm just adding in the second quarter in the transaction table, and again I will try to refresh so that we will get to know whether it's working properly or not. Just click on refresh. So it's getting refreshed on the tables. Now you can see immediately it's getting changed, because in my transaction table or fact table again we have the quarter 2 sales data. So that is the reason it is displaying the 4 quarters means. So in 2004 2 quarters, and in previous year 2 quarters. In 2042 we'll try to validate it. See 4.99, 4.99. So quarter 1 is 13.79. again previous year, so 679 448, 679 448. Even I'm displaying all these headers like which year and which quarter it belongs, so that easily we can understand. So this sales belongs to this quarter and this year, so easily we can understand, analyze the data based on that. So there are some cases we'll get this kind of requirement, so that is the reason I have just created a video, so that we'll get to know. So that's all for today's video. In the next video we'll try to post a video about last 4 months sales, how to display and all, because I have created many videos based on the selection. I'm just displaying the last quarter, last previous week or something like that, but without selection how to display 4 quarter sales or 4 year sales and 4 month sales. So I'm just doing that is. So that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.